This Madeira cake has that classic firm but delicate crumb with a golden crust that cracks just right. If you like easy cake recipes for beginners or classic loaf cake recipes, this one fits both. Just a simple, moist Madeira cake recipe that works every time. To make this Madeira cake, start by adding 175 grams of sugar to a large mixing bowl. Crack in 3 medium eggs and add them to the sugar. Next, add the zest of 1 lemon. Then add 175 grams of unsalted butter, making sure it is at room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add 250 grams of self-raising flour. If you do not have self-raising flour, you can use 250 grams of plain flour mixed with 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Use a spoon or spatula to give everything a good mix. You are just bringing the ingredients together, so nothing stays dry at the bottom. Once it all looks roughly combined, switch to an electric mixer. Beat the mixture on medium speed for a couple of minutes, just until it looks smooth and creamy. You do not need to mix it for long, just enough to get a nice, even batter, as you can see in the video here. Next, take a loaf pan that has been brushed with butter. You can also line it with parchment paper if you prefer easy removal after baking. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Use a spoon or spatula to spread it out evenly, making sure it reaches the corners and the top is level. Bake the Madeira cake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it bake for about 55 to 60 minutes. You will know the cake is ready when your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the top of the cake has turned a rich golden brown color. The surface should look slightly cracked on the top, and that is a clear sign that the cake is baked correctly. This Madeira cake tastes rich and buttery with a light sweetness. The lemon zest gives it a fresh note, but the overall taste is simple and balanced. The texture is firm and tight, with a fine crumb. It holds its shape well when sliced, but it is still soft when you eat it. It is not light like a sponge cake and not dense like a pound cake. It sits in the middle. The top bakes to a golden color and forms a slight crust, while the inside stays smooth and moist. If you thought this classic Madeira cake was easy, then take a look at this even simpler loaf cake recipe here. This recipe is perfect if you are short on time but still want a rich and delicious homemade cake. Check it out now!